viewers, today I'm gonna have a friend over. Her name is Jenny, and I'm really excited because we're gonna be baking Panna Cotta, which is our favorite dessert ever. It's so good, and well, I'll see you then. Hello, fellow people. Today we're going to make Nutella Panna Cotta. Yay! This is my friend Jenny.
Hi.
And this is our dog, which you can't see, who is currently walking. Move! Okay. So, ingredients. We will need
Gelatin,
cream,
Nutella,
and caster sugar. So we have our gelatin here. It's very odd gelatin. It feels like plastic.
Yep.
And we have to soften the gelatin in a small bowl of cold water, which we are doing right now. As you can't see, because it's very bright. There it is, gelatin. So as that is softening, we will bring the cream to a boil in a saucepan and add the Nutella and the sugar and mix with the spatula until well combined. Switch places. Okay. So
we have to put the cream in
cream
there.
here, which is 500 milliliters or 2 cups. We have the measuring cup.
Now we'll measure
2 cups. And pour it in. What was that? Pour it in. And
1 cup.
not quite. There we go. Yes, that is good. Okay. 1 cup. It is. More or less. Yet another cup. Delicious.
I think that is, the whole thing is 500 milliliters. So I think that you can put the whole thing.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay.
You don't need this.
Yay. Oh, okay.
That's it.
Great.
This is not good.
Oh, that's dough.
You have another one here. So that has to go to the
We
fire.
have to boil it.
Okay.
How much Nutella do we need? We need 1/3 cup of Nutella.
We haven't opened it yet.
Wait. This is job for Nutella master.
That looks good. That looks delicious. Yeah, should we use a spoon?
I
There it is
produce
here.
a spoon.
Good.
Oh. Move, caster sugar. It's beautiful.
Ta-da! It looks like, yeah, it looks like chocolate. That's so good. That looks so delicious. The
Boom.
smell is so
That's a
good.
lot.
I think,
How much is that? Is that a third of a cup?
no, wait,
Not
let's-
yet. Oh wow, we must use the whole jar.
Oh my! We used a lot. Okay,
That's
that's enough.
That's enough. Yeah, let's just eat it.
So good. That's delicious. Maybe we can lift the whole spoon together.
Let's do that later. Okay, so
And then,
we have to
a
pull that
Nutella.
in. Nutella Bible.
Yep, a Nutella Bible.
Okay.
And then,
Add the Nutella and the sugar. How much sugar? 1/4 cup of sugar.
okay,
So we need to empty this. Add it until well combined.
that was the spatula.
Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. Yay! We have the spatula.
Which is really small.
It's yellow as well. Yellow is good. Yellow is nice. Okay,
And then
shall we
now,
pour it in?
maybe you have to use the spatula to put it in.
Probably.
Is it boiling already?
Ah.
And it's quite big. That looks so
Okay.
good.
Hi. Oh my.
Wait, my hands are boiling hot.
It's really hot in here.
Yeah.
Can we eat this?
It's such a waste. Let's try and get everything perfect.
Okay, sugar. We have the beautiful sugar. It is beautiful. And water. Oh wow. It made it. Mom. Is that worrying? That's worrying. Okay. It says use a spatula. We have to use a spatula. You don't know how good this looks.
Maybe I'll take it and just...
Imagine if we drop the laptop.
Nope.
You have to combine.
Looks like that.
Combine
So
well
good.
with the spatula.
Mix until.
Yeah.
So, if you don't know what... Hello, this is my mom. She's very nice. If you don't know what panna cotta is, sorry. It's an Italian dessert, which is mostly made out of gelatin.
Panna Cotta's really good. It's like one of my favorite desserts.
It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, you need to make this.
Super easy.
Or eat it in a restaurant.
Yeah. If you see it on the on a restaurant menu, order it because it's good. It is very good. Is that well combined enough? So I'm gonna put this down because this is hurting my arms.
It smells so good. Come smell it. That's so good. This panna cotta is
It's gonna be
yeah.
amazing. Waiting dance. Okay, so since this is well combined, we need to squeeze the excess water from the gelatin. Oh yes, I forgot about the gelatin. Right.
How can you forget about the key ingredient, gelatin?
Okay, and away from the heat, add the gelatin to the Nutella cream. Mix well. So, and turn off the fire. I'm irresponsible. Why am I doing this? How do you squeeze the excess water?
Just take it off. It feels like, you know, it's not like gelatin kind of feel.
It's like a plasticky, weird thingy. Totally. Please. Watch the expert.
I'm going to take some. Okay. And you just squeeze.
Told ya. Squeeze the excess water. That does not look like gelatin.
It does not look like
No,
gelatin.
but then because you are going to put it in the hot
Water.
cream.
Melt.
Nutella cream.
Which
I
is
could
really good.
eat that by itself. I could put that on
Yep.
pasta and eat the pasta. I would.
That is really like
I
the
would.
worst combination ever.
Put it here, right?
Yep, it says to put it in that and mix well. My hair is the same color as Nutella.
It's like
Fun fact.
it like dissolved already.
Panna cotta between. Small glasses.
I'm okay.
Leave to cool. Then okay.
Me. God. It says makes 6 panna cotta. Maybe we need to make more.
6 bigger maybe, but this small one. Tiny
You can't
bit,
smell
I
this, but it
find
smells
a
great.
little bit.
I think this is enough. I don't feel any gelatin. So what do we do next? With the Nutella Bible.
Divide the panna cotta between 4 small glasses. Leave it to cool. Then refrigerate for at least 30 hours.
So this is the really easy bit. But it's the most annoying bit because you have to wait for 3 hours.
So it's easy.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Listen to the expert, who is the adult. This is the adult, as you may have realized.
And here's the tray where
Here's-
we're going
Yes.
to put all the panna cottas and voila, we'll have panna cotta.
Hopefully, they will be good.
They will.
They will be good as they smell.
Expert should.
Okay.
I'd like to try one though.
Yeah, I like to try one
Yes.
though.
I still have more here, okay?
Maybe it's okay.
Just put it down and pretend nothing happened.
Maybe this is the most successful
Oh, there's
panna
more.
cotta a kid would have made. Well, 2 children could have made.
Oh.
14.
12.
A lot.
Small.
lot.
But we get more to eat.
Yay!
Ah!
es collas.
We hope you enjoyed our cooking show.
Yeah.
And we will see you in 3 hours. So,
When we have finished the panna cotta.
So,
bye!
sponsors Nutella.
Hello again, people. We're back.
And our panna cotta hasn't finished chilling, but we took them out to eat as a dessert. And this is what came out, which is
Looks
pretty
very
good.
I already ate mine because I couldn't help it.
And
It was
the color is really pretty, and it seems like it has been
Oh.
chilled on the top and not on the bottom. But it
smells-
looks really good, and we can't wait to try it. So let's go. That is so good. That is like chocolate pudding.
It's amazing.
That is so good.
So if you want it to taste like chocolate pudding, take it out 15 minutes before it's finished.
The inside looks like that.
Can't stop eating.
Like it's
I'm probably gonna have another one after this.
yeah. It's really good. It's not fully chilled, but it's something that everybody can enjoy.
Unless you're allergic to Nutella, which then you shouldn't eat it.
But this one is really good, actually. It's not like over sweet,
Yeah.
even if it's
And
Nutella.
you can taste the nuts. Like
Yeah, you should eat it. Why were you blowing?
I have a tiny spoon.
Mine's
spoon.
bigger.
I could eat this forever. So yeah, thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you liked making these and and think they were good, then please send us a video response and comment and like.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye!